going? My name is Cosmo Goss, and today we're going to make a chili relleno sausage. Chili relleno is traditionally a stuffed poblano pepper that is breaded and fried. It's very traditional in Mexican cuisine, but we're going to take those flavor combinations and we're going to stuff them inside of a sausage. So we have 5 pounds of ground pork. We have a spice mix of a little bit of cumin, cayenne pepper, garlic, black pepper, and a little bit of curing salt. Curing salt is a salt that extends the shelf life of the meat, and it also keeps it from oxidizing, keeps it a nice, bright, pink, vibrant color. So you don't have a gray sausage, you don't have a sausage that goes bad in a couple days. And then we're gonna saute some poblano peppers, a little bit of jalapeno and onion, and those ingredients are gonna go in fresh, and we're gonna stuff it all together with some Chihuahua cheese, which is a nice melty Mexican style cheese. Very different than most sausages. A lot of people don't put fresh ingredients, but we are trying to kind of mimic this awesome traditional Mexican dish and put all those flavors into this sausage. So really robust, really rich, really flavorful sausage. But day one, all we do is we take our spice blend and we mix it with our meat. So we're just gonna let this sit overnight in the fridge, and we will finish grinding, stuffing, and smoking tomorrow. So we've let our chili relleno sausage marinate overnight. We've sauteed our onion, poblano pepper, and jalapeno, and we've got our diced up Chihuahua cheese to go inside of it. So now we're going to mix the sauteed pepper mix with the meat, run it through the grinder, and we're gonna use the mixer to mix in that cheese, create that bind, get a nice sticky, bouncy sausage before we stuff it and smoke it. Once you've mixed the sausage for a couple minutes, and I'm not talking a quick 15-second mix, I probably 2 to 3 minutes mixing. You want to create that bind, you want that nice bouncy sausage, and the best way to check, or the easiest way to check, is if you can take your sausage that you've mixed, take a ball, stick it to the palm of your hand, it should stick right there, it shouldn't fall back into the mixer. And now we're ready to stuff. So we've got our chili relleno sausage, we stuffed it, we linked it, and then we sit it in the fridge overnight. It got nice and dry, the casings are good to go. We're gonna go stick it in our Mammoth vertical smoker at 225 degrees. These will probably cook for about an hour, hour and a half. We'll check them and then we'll give them a taste. So the nice thing about this vertical smoker is you can do multiple items at once. So we've got some kielbasa and larger beef casings hanging in there. And now we're going to hang some chili relleno sausage in there as well. All right, so we've got 2 different size sausages in here, so the cooking time is going to be different. The temp's the same. We're at 225. I'm gonna check out these chili relleno sausages in about an hour, hour and a half, where these other bigger sausages might take 2, 2.5. Fully cooked, it's ready to go. And now we're just gonna cut it open and try it. The awesome thing about that smoker is the quality of the smoke that you get. It's a nice dry smoke. It doesn't come out oily or greasy, watery, and you get a great snap on the sausage.